for today's vlog. We are here outside and we are planning to plant more seeds, additional seeds. Sophia and her cat. And so first I will show you some of the seeds that we are planting. So this is just portion we have planted long back, and this one is additional. So I have here some flowers. I have plamenage. It's called blocks in English. I have salvia cadulia. Salvia. I have statica. It's limonium in English. I have here petunia, zinnia, and lavender. So these flowers are very good companion for vegetables, so to eliminate the pests. So it's nice to plant along vegetables and this type of flowers. So that's why we're sowing these flowers. And and I have more vegetables and fruits. I have another variety of watermelon, then spinach, then this is trio paprika, different paprika, paprika pepperoni, then this is broccoli, this is okrashna paprika. It's like more of decorative chili, colorful one. And I have here cherry tomatoes and regular chili, Sophie, and this is melon. We call it binya here. This is viatacha, a cauliflower. Then carrots. This is a different type of carrots. It's a parishka of krogla. Mrkva žuta, it's a yellow one carrot. Parsley, and some of this will be for direct sowing, but for now these are some that we're going to plant today. I also have here this I'm not really sure what's the name of the seed. It's small. Remember last time when you
like orange.
Like orange, but it's like a small one. It's not also mandarin. It's not, but we found in the supermarket and I'm trying to grow. Let's see if it will work. I have mitoyo eggplants, Armenian cucumber, celeries, and big carrots, spring onions, Welsh onion, long purple eggplants, lemongrass, malunggay, ampalaya, okra, pak choy or pechay, cabbage, and a lot more. So those are sample of my plants, and we have actually seedlings ready for planting, but this one were additional for my garden, and I'm so excited. So let's go plant. This is cherry tomatoes. Just put a few in each slot. Use your hands. Alright, so I just want to highlight this. I put tags or labels of the specific seeds that I planted, so I will have a guide where to put the seeds. So I want to be organized as much as I can. And I already planted the seeds. You can see here it's on above the surface, and we will sprinkle with the potting mix now. And see, there's also worms in our starting mix. And what we're going to do now is to put soil on top of our seedlings, of our seeds. So see, just sprinkle a little on top. There you go. To cover our seeds, because they don't need to be buried so deep. Right amount of seeds to cover will be good. Daddy covering soil for our seeds. And one more thing, please always check the expiration date of the seeds, the viability of the seeds, because most seeds doesn't germinate because, you know, some are expired. So really have to be sure that your seeds are still viable. And you don't need to save seeds. You can always buy fresh seeds for your growing. You can also save, but please do really check the expiration date, so you will have a success in germination. And you can also check, once you buy seeds packets, you will see here all the instructions where when to plant the seeds, what's the best time to plant, if it's indoor or outdoor. So there's all the information you need, what are the soil that they need. So everything is usually in the seed packets. Now Daddy watering. The sprinkler is not working for some reason, so we'll just manually sprinkle by hand. And we just moisten a little bit our seeds. Yay! We're finished. After watering, Daddy will transfer to our basement, cover it, and it will be covered until it germinates. So once germinated, we'll remove the cover and transfer in an area where there's a direct sunlight. Alright guys, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.